Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to learning about in that pandas video, series data types, series non-dimension and too much. So let's get started into our main video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then here is our data created in part 8 and creating the data types. So let's click mouse, and here is our new file. Click here and name it demo3 demo3.python file, and then enter it, and we are now importing the pandas. So let me import it. Import pandas as ed. When it's done, we are creating the data. So hashtag data types equals to, enter it, and then data equals to bracket, third bracket, 2 4 5 8 9 6. When it's done, enter it 2 times another, and then hashtag it series comma ndim comma name colon it, and then now s equals to means series equals to pd dot series. Firstly, we are showing the data types. So pd series data, what data? This data. Enter it another time and print out of this data. So hashtag it, and then print out data equals to print bracket it, and then double quotation mark comma s dot dtype. It is a function, means data types, and call it \n commanded data types equals to, now we are seeing. So run this code here, and then okay, here is our series. Okay, here is our series. One, it is a number and it is a series. We are just created, and this is the data type integer 64 and series labels, and it is imported, and we are seeing these data types. So here is this integer 64. This is integer 64, and it is the printed integer 64 default. We are printed the data type, and now we are going to making the non-dimension data types. So as dtype not, as dtype, delete it, copy it another time. Okay, where is copy? Here is this copy. Click copy button, and then enter it another time, paste it. Okay, now change it this name, non-dimension. Now done, equals it, and then s dot ndim means non-dimension, and then we are going to running this code. So here is our run code function. Click here, and then here is our data types, 0 by 2, not, here is this default numbers 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the series number. Here is the data type, and this is the non-dimension 1. It is also a default, and seeing the name, series name. Now we are going to see this series name. Here is our data function called comma it, and then name equals to, you can write it. I call it my name, Tasnimul bin Asad, and now seeing this name, here is our s.ndim, cut it, and then write down name. Now here is the name function has come. Here is run this code again, and here is my name Tasnimul bin Asad, and this is the series, and this is the non-dimension called, I call it my name equals to, here is a run code function. This is my name Tasnimul bin Asad. Now it's beautiful. I can give my code in the description. This is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and get more support. Part 10 is coming. Assalamualaikum.